Hello everyone. Today we are going to make the rider board. So let us see the components required. We need one medium plate, two small C bar, two small L bar, two DC motor, three wheels, DPDT switch box along with the connecting wires. So let us do the connections now. First we will take two small C bar and one medium plate. We will attach the small C bar with the medium plate in this way, such that the first hole of the medium plate is connected to the last hole of the small C bar, and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. In this way, we have connected the medium plate to the small C bar. Similarly, we will take another small C bar and attach it to the medium plate in the same way. After connecting the C bars, now we will connect the small L bars to the medium plate. So take a small L bar in this way and attach it to the medium plate in such a way that there is two column gaps between the small C bar and between the small L bar, and the last hole of the L bar is connected to the last row of the medium plate, and then fix it with nut and bolt. We have connected the small L bar. Similarly, we will connect the other small L bar in the same way. After connecting the small L bars, now we will connect the motors to the small C bars. So these are the two DC motors. We will attach them to the small C bars, one on each side. So take the motor, and first of all we will remove the screws. Now insert the shaft of the motor to the last hole of the small C bar in this way, and align the screw holes of the motor with the holes of the small C bar. Insert the screws. This is done. Similarly, connect the other motor to the other C bar. We have connected the motors, and now we will attach the wheels to the motor shaft. Insert the wheels to the shaft of the motor and fix them with the help of an axle lock. Similarly, connect the other wheel. So we have attached both the wheels. Now we will attach one more wheel in between the small L bar. To attach the wheel, we will require this small metal shaft. Insert the shaft through the first hole of the small L bar. Then insert the wheel to the shaft and insert the shaft through the other hole of the small L bar. So this is done. Now we will fix this shaft with the help of two axle lock. So we have fixed the wheel by using the axle lock on both the sides, and now we will connect the motors to the remote box. So this is the remote box, and I will connect the motors to the connecting wires. So now we will move our bot with the help of the remote box. As I press the button in the forward direction, the bot is moving forward. As I press the button in backward direction, the bot is moving backward. Thank you.